Welcome back to Booze and the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today we're going to use these to make the Ramos Gin Fizz. But first, this. Alright, so I have some history for you. Henry C. Ramos invented the Ramos Gin Fizz in 1888 at his bar, the Imperial Cabinet Saloon in Gravier Street in New Orleans, Louisiana. It was originally called a New Orleans Fizz, and it is still one of the city's most famous cocktails. Now, before Prohibition, this drink's popularity and exceptionally long mixing time had over 20 bartenders working at the Imperial at once, making nothing but the Ramos Gin Fizz. During the Carnival of 1915, he had 32 staff members there on hand at any one time just to shake this drink. Now, the Roosevelt Hotel in New Orleans also helped popularize this drink. And in July of 1935, Governor Huey Long brought a bartender named Sam Guarino from the Roosevelt Hotel to the New Yorker Hotel in New York City to teach its staff how to make this drink so he could have it whenever he was there. All right, so let's get into making the Ramos Gin Fizz. First thing we need, of course, is our mixing glass. The next thing we need, of course, is some gin. And you can use whatever gin that you choose to use, and you can use one that's a little bit drier or a little bit more floral, again, depending on your preferences. Here I am using a Georgian Bay gin. I like the botanicals that come out of this. And I am using 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Next, I need some simple syrup. And this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup, 1 part water, 1 part sugar. And I need 1/4 ounce of this. The next thing I need is lemon juice. So I need 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. The next thing I also need is, of course, lime juice. And we need 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. And I didn't say it was 15 mils with the lemon juice. So I also need, put that over there, 1 ounce of a heavy cream, and I'm using a whipping cream. It's 35% fat. It gives me a consistency that I like. I also then need 1 egg white. And I'll just put this over here, put this here, and perfection. And of course, I need a little bit of an orange flower water or orange blossom water. You only need 3 drops of this because you don't want it to overpower what you're doing. And now we're going to shake this for an inordinately long part of time. Now, this was originally a 12-minute shake for this drink, and that's why there were 20 people. So let's just shake the crap out of this, and through the magic of editing, we're going to speed this up for you. I have a bad seal. Let me reseat that because I'm getting it all over the place. Here, shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid camera. But we're not done. So now what we need is some ice. We're going to shake it with some ice. And we're going to shake the ice until it breaks. So I'm going to use 2 small cubes of ice. And now I'm going to shake the crap out of this again, and we're going to shake it to basically the ice is gone and broken and pulverized, and you're going to want to step out of the way. It's good to see you, by the way, Eryn.
Hi.
Good enough. Almost all the way. Whew. I got me a bit of a workout there. What about you? Did you get a workout out of that?
I If you mean my lungs hurt, my chest hurts, my arms hurt, then yes, I got a workout.
Exercise. So the next thing we need, of course, is our Collins glass. So the first thing we're going to do is put in approximately 1 ounce.
Can you just tell now if that's 1 ounce?
That's actually closer to 2 ounces, but whatever. Pour this into this. Not from that angle, not from there. Yes, right there. All right, stop. But we're not done. Yes, this one's a lot of work, but it is so worth it, I promise you. A little bit more club soda.
Excuse me.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
And look at that, absolutely gorgeous. But we're not done, we need to garnish it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an orange peel and we're gonna do this directly over the top of our drink here. And this way, we get some of our orange botanical and citruses directly in here. We're gonna give it a bit of a spritz. And now we're gonna twist it so it looks really, really nice and pretty. And place it right there. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a Ramos Gin Fizz. It is a work of art. I can see why it was so popular. Just visually, it's stunning. What do you think?
It looks nice. Is that white foamy stuff the egg?
No, there's egg all through the entire thing. Give it a sip. What do you think?
I think it's good.
So does your face. So, I can smell the orange notes that you get from the citruses directly on top. Right? You can smell a little bit of orange, a little bit of lemon. You can't really smell the gin at all. That is a good drink. Yes, it's all over my face, my mustache. See? I have a mustache.
He really likes it.
Yes. This is an A-class drink. It is a solid classic, well worth the time to do. You can do shortcuts or not, that's up to you, but take the time to make one and try one of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this directly in the description down below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. But if you didn't like this video, and you didn't like Eryn showing up, then hit the thumbs down button twice.
But why would you hit the thumbs down button? Because I'm fabulous. And don't forget, it's the Eryn show today.
And we'll see you next time. Now during the carnival, that way you get notified every single time that we put up a new video. But if this is all the oxygen has gone to my brain. But if you didn't like this video, you didn't find this...
Pineapple under the sea, SpongeBob SquarePants, absorbent and yellow and poor is his he. SpongeBob SquarePants is not a cool nonsense, he's something you wish. SpongeBob SquarePants, flop on the deck, drop on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants.
It's recording. Gotcha. Okay, stop it.